For years, conventional agriculture has helped feed millions, but it has also left a mark, like stripped soil, lost nutrients, and weakened the ecosystems. If your land has been farmed conventionally, don't worry. The soil can heal, and here is how we can bring it back to life. Step 1. Stop the harm. Put away synthetic fertilizers, pesticides, and heavy tillage tools. These inputs disrupt microbial life and compact the soil. Let the land breathe. Next, feed the soil. Apply compost, aged manure, or even mulched plant matter. This organic matter becomes food for the billions of microorganisms that rebuild soil structure and fertility. Then, cover the ground. Use cover crops to protect against erosion, fix nitrogen, and add biomass. When you cut them down, leave them on the surface as a natural mulch. Sometimes, restoring soil means stepping back and letting nature help. Planting prairie strips with native wildflowers in low-hilled areas can reduce erosion by up to 95%. They slow water runoff, enrich the soil, and create vital habitats for pollinators and birds. These living borders don't just protect the land, they bring it back to balance. Start rotating your crops. Changing what you grow each season helps balance nutrients and break pest cycles. Diversity builds resilience, both above and below ground. To speed up recovery, bring in the helpers, microorganisms, compost teas, and microbial inoculates. Restore life to damaged soil, reviving the hidden ecosystems that make soil truly alive. If your soil is compacted, let roots do the work. Deep-rooted plants like Daco radish or alfalfa can naturally loosen hard soil and improve water infiltration. Practice low-till or no-dig gardening. It might be slower, but it respects the structure of the soil and encourages healthy fungal networks and worms to thrive. And finally, be patient. Soil recovery is a journey, but with every cover crop, every handful of compost, and every season of care, your land becomes more alive. The soil is ready to come back. All it needs is your hands. If you want to stay updated on news, events, and initiatives, follow the Facebook page of Trentin Plus Europe. See you there!